So Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce, there is no doubt that she is not going to be the favorite in winning the Tokyo War Athletic Champ, which means she is in a very big trouble, right? Because we have the likes of Shakari, Sheriki Jackson, and Ellen Thompson Hira. And I do believe Shakari Richardson, after being beaten by Julian Alfred, she's going to tight her belt for the 2025 season, right? Welcome to the channel. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's talk about Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce in 2025. Now, when you talk about Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce not going to deliver in 2025, I feel like you should come with your evidence why she is not going to deliver. Because I mean, we are talking about the queen and mother of track and female track and field in general. We're talking about the most consistent athlete in the whole wide world. We are talking about one of the most popular athlete in the whole wide world. So what makes you think that she can't deliver and she is not up to the task in 2025? Yes, Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce has been open about the pressure to pursue Florence Griffith Jonah 100-meter world record, but she is not letting it consume her, right? Instead, she is focusing on her own goals and pushing herself to improve in new ways. It is great to see her prioritizing her own growth and well-being, and I'm excited to see what the rest of 2025 hold for her. So in 2025, Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce is not just targeting the gold medal in the World Athletic in Tokyo, Japan. Rather, she is targeting the Flojo world record, which means she is going to make history in 2025, right? But let us not forget the likes of Julian Alfred, the likes of Ellen Thompson Hira, Shakir Richardson, who are also not going to take it easy on her, right? At the Olympics, I knew, like, I was very sure that she was going to be the favorite to win if she participated. No, let's be realistic. Let's be realistic. I definitely knew if Shelly was on that lane, she would have give all her best, and it would have been historic. Like oh my god, an historic moment was snatched away from Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce. Although there were a lot of controversies, people were saying that it was because she was top at the gate. That was why she didn't make it to the Paris Olympic final in the 100 meters. But it still makes me sad, whatever the reason is. It still makes me sad because I mean, like I said, it would have been a historic moment. Now Ellen Thompson Hira, let's also not also forget about Ellen Thompson Hira, because she is also planning to return back in 2025. Although Ellen Thompson Hira is known for her performance in Olympics alone, so we don't know how she's going to turn up for the World Athletic. We don't know how this year her season is gonna be, but I'm definitely rooting for her. I'm rooting for Ellen, because she is, like, she's one of my best sprinters all the way from Jamaica. Let us not also forget Sheriki Jackson. Last year was just a total disaster for almost all the Jamaicans. It is what it is. It is what it is. So guys, let me hear your opinions. What do you think? Do you think Shelly is going to deliver in this year 2025, or do you think it is going to be Ellen, or is it going to be Sherika? Let me hear your opinions. Don't forget to like and subscribe.